Ever feel like you're running on a treadmill, working hard but going nowhere? You're not alone. Many people dream of financial freedom, of escaping the rat race. But dreams won't pay the bills. Stocks can. Imagine a world where your money works as hard as you do, where you earn not just from your job, but from your investments. This isn't a fantasy, it's the power of the stock market. The stock market can seem intimidating, a world reserved for Wall Street hotshots. But the truth is, it's open to everyone, and the sooner you step in, the better. Think of your favorite company, the one you can't live without. Maybe it's a tech giant whose gadgets you use every day, or a beloved coffee chain where you start your mornings. When you buy stock, you're buying a small piece of that company, a piece of the pie. It's like owning a slice of that bakery's delicious pie. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your piece. Your investment appreciates, much like a city skyline evolving over time. That's how people build wealth in the stock market. They see the potential in these companies and invest early. They invest in companies they believe in and hold on to those investments for the long haul. It's a commitment to the future. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making smart choices that pay off over time. Patience and diligence are key. But remember, investing always involves risk. The market can be unpredictable, like a stormy sky. The value of your stocks can go down as well as up. Prices fluctuate, and nothing is guaranteed. That's why it's crucial to do your research, spread your investments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversification and informed decisions are your best allies in the world of investing. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was a barista, working long hours, dreaming of a better life. Every day she served countless cups of coffee, always with a smile, but deep down she yearned for something more. She was a barista, working long hours, dreaming of a better life. She often found herself lost in thought, imagining a future where she could break free from the daily grind. One day she decided to take control of her future. It wasn't an easy decision, but she knew it was necessary. She started by setting clear goals and making a plan. She started small, investing a portion of her earnings each month. She meticulously reviewed her finances, cutting unnecessary expenses, and saving wherever she could. She researched companies, learned about different industries, and made calculated decisions. She spent countless hours studying, understanding market trends, and identifying potential opportunities. Years later, Sarah wasn't just serving coffee, she was sipping it on her own beachfront balcony. Her hard work and dedication had paid off, transforming her dreams into reality. Her story is a testament to the power of consistent investing. It shows that with determination and discipline, anyone can change their circumstances. Now, not everyone will end up with a beachfront property, but the principles Sarah followed can lead to significant improvements in anyone's financial situation. But Sarah's story illustrates a powerful point. Even small, consistent investments can grow into something substantial over time. It's about the journey and the progress made along the way. The key is to start early and stay disciplined. With patience and perseverance, anyone can achieve their financial goals and create a better future for themselves. So how do you actually buy and sell stocks? It might seem daunting at first, but the process is straightforward once you get the hang of it. It's easier than you think. With the right tools and a bit of knowledge, anyone can start investing. You open a brokerage account, deposit money, and start trading. This account acts as your gateway to the stock market. There are countless online platforms that make this process simple and user-friendly. These platforms offer various tools to help you make informed decisions. Think of it like online shopping, but instead of clothes or gadgets, you're buying pieces of companies. Each share represents a small ownership in the company. You choose the company, the number of shares, and place your order. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons. Just like that, you're an investor. But the journey doesn't end there. But remember, investing is not gambling. It's a disciplined approach to growing your wealth over time. It's not about chasing the next hot stock tip. Avoid the temptation to follow the crowd without doing your own research. It's about making informed decisions based on research and a long-term strategy. Patience and diligence are key. Think of yourself as a business owner, not a gambler. Approach each investment with care and consideration.